quick reading for January the 17th to January the 18th, Aquarius. So we have the Knight of Wands, the Justice, and the Four of Wands. At least, tumatakbo na itong flow ng energy towards committed relationship, towards seriousness, towards, etong sabihin natin pagsasama ninyong dalawa. I feel like hindi naman siya ganun kabagal, hindi rin ganun kabilis, pero magkakaroon ng magandang resulta. The result may be something that you probably asked for, wished for, something that you probably waited for and prayed for. Nakikita natin dito yung flow niya. Parang smooth sailing, no? Smooth sailing in a way na siguro kung meron kayong mga challenges nitong mga nakaraang araw, it felt like patapos na, paayos na, no? I feel like ito na yung umuling pagkakaroon ng union ninyong dalawa. So this is your quick reading, Aquarius, for January the 15th to January 17th rather to January the 18th.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars align.